Hi, today in front of me POCO X3 GT and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. Open first the settings application, then scroll down to wallpaper section. Here you'll see all of the default wallpapers, online wallpapers. You could tap here to find more, to use new online wallpaper, or you could switch to profile, tap to wallpapers and to find default wallpapers on your device, and tap here to this plus icon. You could use photo from the Google Drive, Google Photos file manager and your device gallery. For example, let's use one from our gallery wallpapers. Just tap to apply, click to set as lock screen. You could use also the wallpaper carousel, but I don't want to do that, so I will just click here to turn on wallpaper carousel. And now let's just lock the device. So we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we could make it by another way. Hold for a while first home screen with your finger, then tap on the left down corner to wallpaper icon. And by the same way, you could use wallpaper, the online ones, or just to use the default. So let's now just use one from the online wallpapers. Just select the wallpaper, click apply, and tap set as lock screen. If you want to use the carousel, tap to keep on or to turn off. Just let's lock the device, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.